Okay, so this post is going to be about lighting and sound. I'll start off with lighting because it's a bit less to talk about. I think this is something that we're going to find the most challenging to sort out because a lot of our shots are close-ups or they're not really of a broad area. So a change in lighting is going to be more obvious if you go from one close-up to another close-up than if you go from a close-up to a wide shot. I think this is something that we're going to have to just deal with. We're going to use the studio lights, and I think the best way to do this is to keep them from exact same distance with every shot we use. Trying to check it on the camera to check that it looks okay. Drawing the blinds so we don't have any natural light coming in. I think this will make it a lot easier. If this proves quite difficult, if we struggle with it, there is always editing that can be done afterwards, but this isn't something that we really want to have to do. So it's going to have to be a bit of playing around when we actually film to see what works best. With sound, it's going to be a bit more difficult. We're not allowed to use copyrighted sound, which means we can't use any songs that already exist, basically. Now, none of our groups very musical, we're not creative like musically or anything like that, so this is a bit of a struggle for us. Also, as we're producing a comedy opening sequence, we want it to be quite upbeat and quirky, and this was going to be quite hard if we wanted to create our own music. So I did some searching on Google, had a look on the internet, and I found a way around it. There's a company called Bensound, and basically it's somebody that creates all these different tunes, all this different music, and puts them on the internet, and you can download them as long as you tag him in whatever you put them on online. So say we make a YouTube video, we've got to give him credit in the description. Now, for us that's fine, and this is how we're going to get around it. We found 2 tunes on his website which we think could suit our piece, and we're going to choose in the editing which one we're going to use, and these are shown on our pitch. This is the best way we can go around it because we wanted to use something that's upbeat and something that is light-hearted, and we wanted it to sound good and worthwhile actually putting it in. As we have no dialogue, we sort of need music to make it look like an opening sequence for a film. Overall, I think this is the best outcome that we can come up with. We will have to link all of his things in the description, but I think that's fair enough if he's making the music.